Here, do you hear that?
Oh, it's the table,
Oh, okay.
I think.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
In 3, 2.
Okay, this is our demonstration regarding swell and yield factors, and it's a fun demonstration, very educational. What I've got in front of me is a bank cubic yard of popcorn, and the way I produced this was I put the popcorn in layers and slightly compacted it to get it in its natural condition, like a soil. Soil in its bank condition is produced by vibration that consolidates the soil, and also due to water running through. So that's how I produce this. Now let's disturb this by excavating it and see how many loose cubic yards it produces. Okay, we've got, for all practical purposes, a loose cubic yard, and yet we've got material left in our original container. Let's pull out a second empty container. And the result is this, is that one bank cubic yard, when disturbed, in this case, swells to about 1.25, 1.3 loose cubic yards. Now let's take the loose cubic yards. Remember, this originally was a bank cubic yard. So let's take this bank cubic yard, original, or this loose cubic yard, and compact it. And the way we're going to do that is to, just like we do in the real world, we take the material, place it in the fill in layers, and compact each layer. Okay, so it takes more than a bank cubic yard to produce a compacted cubic yard, and it's the same idea that it takes more than 1.3 or 1.25 loose cubic yards to make a compacted yard. Let's add a little more loose material. In fact, I might luck out and be able to get all of this. So it took almost a combined 2 loose cubic yards to yield a compacted cubic yard. So that's how swell and yield works out in the real world, and also how we need to enter it into our system to do an accurate estimate.
That was much better. I like that one better.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right.